Hello, eager viewers. Let's start our test automation journey using Playwright in TypeScript language. I'm Varun for the BCatchy channel. I would like to introduce you to the Playwright tool along with TypeScript as the main language here. Playwright actually supports five different languages as of now, starting with Java, JavaScript, .NET, C Sharp, and Python. TypeScript is a flavor of JavaScript and is also supported by Playwright as well. As such, moving ahead, so why Playwright? Let me answer that first. So this is a symbol of Playwright, and why Playwright? If you ask me, it is because uh, it is taking care of much of the framework part by itself, and it comes with many more advantages. Have you ever heard of the previous and other automation tools? Then it sounds like much of the times the scripts are not handled properly by the test automation engineer sometimes. Sometimes because of the flakiness, so many configurations have to be done. The actual problem what happens is we don't care much on the functionality sometimes, but the majority of the effort actually goes into the technical stuff there. But we being testers, it is very important for us to focus on the functionality, and Playwright actually plays a major role in giving much of the framework related stuff. That and it's very fast because of the WebSocket connections. It is very fast. Try it out for sure once this uh, tutorial is done. And then TypeScript. Okay, you might have heard about React.js, Node.js, uh, Vue.js, Next.js. There are several JavaScript flavored ones, and TypeScript is one such flavor where we for sure have to maintain the strictness on the data types. Maybe people who came from Java background, they'll understand what is the strictness which we talk about on the strings. It has to be very much um, mm, strict on the data types. That's how Java works, kind of the same in TypeScript as well. And then we move on to other benefits from TypeScript is we can, I mean, when I used it, right? When I used it on the TypeScript standpoint, we can know the issue as and when it at the source or the root level itself, instead of waiting for the compile time issues kind of stuff. Okay. And then moving on to the VS Code. Why VS Code? We have IntelliJ, we have Eclipse. VS Code, why? Because JavaScript or TypeScript flavored stuff is much supported and easy to use on VS Code when compared to other environments. Having said that, on the next theory part, we have the installation being done. The installation should be starting with VS Code, where we'll go to the relevant website, and we continue downloading this. The VS Code standpoint for Node.js, if at all yours is a Windows or a Mac, go to this website, download the relevant files. But if it's your Ubuntu machine, try using this sudo apt install Node.js if at all you have an admin user. And npm, uh, okay, npm is node package manager. It is like just like our not maven with respect to Java, but kind of package manager with respect to JavaScript. We forgot to mention about Node.js. Node.js is nothing but our Java runtime environment is there, right? For Java, kind of similar to Node.js, but don't take exactly the same thing, because Java is a compiled. I mean, it compiles everything at once and converts into another thing and all, into dot class files and all. But here, Node.js is like, it's here JavaScript, TypeScript or JavaScript is like an interpreter, like step by step checks will be done. But more or less, Node.js is like a Java runtime environment. Okay, for your simple understanding. And Playwright is our automation tool. This is the installation. This is the first step of installation. Then we go on with this allure reporting, and certainly you try this out, you'll get all of this done. So ideally, this is a part on the theory for Playwright in TypeScript.